Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to become an affiliate partner with Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein application on your mobile phone and log into your account, and after logging into your account you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Shein. So guys, let's say that you want to become an affiliate partner with Shein and you want to earn from every sale that you do because you are a partner with them. So guys, this is how to get started. First things first guys, you have to already be using Shein and to have some experience with Shein. So guys, next thing you can see that we have to do, if you Google for how to become an affiliate on Shein, you can see that you have to have some requirements met, such as you'll need a social media platform set up online and already seeing traffic to get accepted. So you already have to have some social media, that you already have a lot of people following you, so that Shein will think about accepting you to become an affiliate, and then you'll be earning between 10 and 20% commission on every sale. So guys, how to become an affiliate if you have already a platform? Well, go back to the Shein application and go back right here to the Me section at the bottom right part of the screen. Click on Me, and in the Me section, go ahead and click on the customer service icon at the top of the screen, which looks like a headset. Click on that, and now we can go ahead and contact customer service by clicking customer service, and we can go ahead and send them a message that we want to become an affiliate partner. So guys, after this loads up, we can now go ahead and select that we want to talk with somebody. So you can just type in something. I'm going to go ahead and type in affiliate, and this is now going to give us the reply that they don't know what we're talking about. So what you can do guys is to go ahead and select to talk with somebody live. The option is going to appear, and then you can go ahead and contact them to become an affiliate partner. So yeah guys, that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.